Imagine generating over $80,000 in total revenue from a single wall art design that takes only seconds to create. Wall art is still one of the fastest growing digital products on Etsy, helping shop owners earn up to 6 figures. And with the help of AI, starting this business doesn't require any skills. So in today's video, I'll show you how to craft one of these potential wall art design ideas that can generate significant revenue. I discovered a store that sells this type of botanical wall art, featuring a simple representation of plant, wildflower, and tropical leaf on a white background. And by analyzing the performance of one of these listings, I noticed it had generated substantial revenue and continued to make daily sales. And using Alura keyword research tool, I was able to know how much this product has brought in total revenue and the monthly total sales. However, due to high competition in botanical wall art, we shift our focus on the botanical sub-niche like tropical botanical wall art. This sub-niche not only has lower competition but also shows impressive records of total revenue. Now, one of the final steps I take before creating this product is to go through these top-selling product images for inspiration. This ensures that you create design that people are actively buying. Now, moving on to the design process. Many people might turn to Midjourney to generate designs like this. However, if you're not in profit yet, let me introduce you to 2 free Midjourney alternatives that deliver excellent results for this type of designs: Magic Media from Canva and CGDreams. Magic Media provides 50 credits per month for image generation in the free version, while CGDreams allow you to generate 20 images daily. The goal here is to generate these design images on this platform, and you can determine which one turned out the best. I began with Magic Media. I first created a custom portrait size in Canva. Then I selected Magic Media from the Canva app section. Now, the next step was to write the prompt that could generate these images. And after testing several prompts, these are the ones that produce impressive results. The first prompt was, in a poster design, imagine a striking raised pest and a glossy green leaf of the anthurium plant in a soft watercolor style against a white background. The second was, and the last one was this. In this prompt, I split the creation process into 3 sections to keep it simple. The first section is customization, which focuses on the theme of the design. The second is the subject. And finally, I concluded with watercolor style on a white background. I chose watercolor style because it's a top trend on Etsy. And when I generated the same prompt in CGDreams, here is a side-by-side comparison of the results. And if you want more of this prompt, I crafted 100 prompts for those interested in starting this similar business. The link will be in the description. And special thanks to Chris Lee, Brenda, Timothy, Anne, and Valerie for making this possible. And before generating your images in Magic Media, always remember to change your aspect ratio from square to portrait. In CGDreams, you can click on the icon below to change the aspect ratio. And in Magic Media, 4 images are generated at a time, and you have the option to create more variation from the one you like by clicking on these 3 dots and selecting generate more like this. In CGDreams, only 1 image is generated at a time, but it usually turns out well. Now, after selecting the image you like, scale it to fit the canvas size you created. Once done, export it as PNG or JPEG file. But you're not done yet, because there are 2 other important factors buyers consider in wall art digital product: pixel quality and frame size. For pixel quality, I use external upscaling platform like Vectorizer or Remini to enhance the quality of my AI images. For the frame size, it's advisable not to create separate design for each size. Instead, export your design in the highest frame size within a specific ratio category. This allows customers to scale it down to their preferred size. And you can easily do this in Canva by using one of the sizes as your custom size. Also, remember to use a good thumbnail, as it is the first thing any buyer sees, and you can find a suitable thumbnail by searching for frame on wall in the Canva elements section. Choose one, then import your design and place it to fit within the frame. Finally, I hope this information was able to convince you on a potential product that can make a lot of sales. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.